Let's see how clean it is. Well, the home is clean. That's a very good sign. By Heating and Air, and we're checking people's filters.
Okay.
So if you have a clean filter, you win $50 on the spot.
Okay.
If your filter's dirty, we give you free maintenance and safety inspection. So either way, you win.
All right, well, we have our heater serviced once a year.
Okay.
Yeah.
So technically, you should be clean, right?
Well, I don't know.
We can
I
see
just
how well
know.
the company's
Okay,
doing.
that's great. Yeah.
Okay, let's check it out.
Okay. And you have to crank
Hello.
it, and then the operator would come and you'd talk into that.
Wow.
How is that possible?
Huh.
Well, I will call them. I mean, he's been doing this for like 30 years for us.
Wow.
Once before winter starts for the heater and before summer starts for the air conditioner. Yeah, here's the paperwork. It was done 11/14/2018.
And does it say anything about a filter on there?
I don't know. Replace thermostat batteries. Clean filter. Whatever, at least now I know I don't have one and I can call them.
You definitely went free maintenance. Sounds like we need an inspection, huh?
Okay.
Alright.
All right, well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jennifer. Hopefully we'll be seeing you again.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.